Welcome to our full guide on how to allow specific friends to see a post on Facebook after it's been posted. Let's walk through the steps together. Step 1. Open the Facebook app on your Android device to access your profile. Step 2. Tap on your profile picture to navigate to your profile where your posts are displayed. Step 3. Locate the post you want to share with specific friends and tap on the 3 dots at the right corner of the post. Step 4. From the options that appear, tap on Edit Privacy to adjust the visibility settings of the post. Step 5. Next, tap on See More to access additional privacy options. Step 6. Select specific friends to choose who can view the post. Step 7. Select the specific friends you want to share the post with. Then tap on Done to save your selections. By following these steps, you can easily customize the privacy settings of your Facebook post to allow only specific friends to view it after it's been posted. Thank you for joining us. We hope this guide has been helpful in demonstrating how to allow specific friends to see a post on Facebook after it's been posted. Enhance your Facebook experience by sharing content with a select group of friends and maintaining privacy while connecting with those you choose.